What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're experimenting with this Lagenda balloon pump that was gifted to me. So here she is. So I really wanted this balloon pump. I love my original pump, which is this one. I'll always use that for my large balloons, like my 11-inch, 12-inch, 18-inch, 16-inch, 24-inch. I'm tapping more into like balloon art like that requires a lot of 260s, and I really want to make my 5-inch clusters a little more detailed, so I do want to be blowing them up to about 2 inches and stuff like that, and I just can't really get it down to that size with my regular pump. It's kind of hard, but with this pump I'm able to set a timer, and so when I put the balloon on here, it inflates it to the exact size that I wanted to inflate it to. And I really like that about this machine, and that's exactly what I got it for, to blow up my smaller clusters and also my 260 balloons when I'm creating other balloon art. So far I have blown up this orange. This is about 2 inches. This pink, this really cute Barbie pink, and this magenta fuchsia type of pink. So far, that's all I've blown up. I'll be back once I inflate all of them, just to give you guys a look using the Lagenda balloon inflate. I'm liking how my minis look. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. I'm liking how my minis are looking. I will do a comparison. I'll blow up a mini on my blue balloon pump, and I'll compare it with the one that I've inflated on my Lagenda pump. And I don't know, let's see. I really like, I'm feeling this look. I'm not gonna even lie. And I'm gonna inflate a 5-inch balloon. I gotta plug it up first. And another thing about this one, it does not have to be plugged up, and it still will work. You have to charge it. You can either charge it, or if it's not fully charged, you can go ahead and use your adapter to it. So that's another plus for this in my book. And see, with this machine, let me show y'all the difference. That is the difference. I know I can release air out of this, but with the Lagenda, it's making, you know, it's giving me that same size just with that one pump. So I'm going to inflate one with the Lagenda. And you see what I mean? That's just off of one pump. I know I can release the air and get down to this, but it's a big difference to me, in my opinion. Okay, y'all, we're outdoors. We don't have much. We just got a simple 1-2 just to see the effect of the 5-inch clusters. I made some ropes, and here they are here. And we're just going to start installing the ropes. I think I like that. And I'm just going to come like at an angle. I think I like that, so I'm going to take my 260 and wrap it around that balloon. And then once I got it there, I'm going to, you know, just kind of play around with it. For the orange, I went that way, so for the orange, I would like to go like the opposite way, so it can be like a flow instead of both of them down that way. I don't think that really looks good. So I'm going to start my orange 260 from down here, and I'm going to bring it up to the corner. So let me get my 260 tied around. So you see that? I'm basically going to come around this balloon here. Also do these with rubber bands. I don't even know why I'm using 260s, and I'm a rubber band girl, so I'm gonna bring this like across here. Yeah, so I want to bring that across here, so I'm gonna attach it to this balloon. And as you guys know, we're outdoors, so our balloons are starting to oxidize, but I have some spray for that. So now we have a rope situation going on, so I'm gonna get a rubber band for that, since that's a small cluster. And pop that right there. I also have this type of pink. I really like to color block, so but I'm gonna try something new out. I'm not sure how that looks, or should I even add this? I don't know, but I hate for it to like go to waste. Should I add it on this side? I don't know.